First, you fry up some potatoes with onions. Put those in the casserole of your choice and put that aside for a moment. Next, you fry up about 250 grams worth of ground beef. Then you turn your fried up ground beef into your favorite meat sauce. What kind of meat sauce doesn't really matter. I for myself have made a curry meat sauce, but you could also go for bolognese. Just pour that now over your potatoes. When the sauce is poured in, we will top it off with 1 cup of creme fraiche or schmand, and finish it up with some ground cheese, and then we will bake it in the oven at 220 degrees Celsius for about half an hour to 45 minutes, until the cheese is nice and brown. And then you're ready to serve. Bon appetit! Here we are adding the cheese, and now it goes into the oven. When it starts to looking brown, then it's done. I hope you like this little recipe, and bon appetit!